Chapter 8, Logarithmic Function, Part 1. In this video, I would like to introduce another function which is called logarithmic function. I would like to use two examples to illustrate what is the meaning about logarithmic function. Turn to page 2. Example 7.1. Help me to amend 225 to 625 first. Okay, example 7.1, if I want to solve 5 to the power x is equal to 625, what can we do? Maybe you can observe 625 is equal to 5 to the power 4. So change to 5 to the power 4. Then, if the base are equal, x is equal to 4. This question, because we can change 625 to 5 to the power 4, so not very difficult to find the unknown x. How about example 7.2? 2 to the power x is equal to 1.5. How to find x? I would like to introduce one of the a new function which is called logarithmic functions. The notation is log. Then x is equal to log 1.5 with base 2. Okay, this is the new function. Remember, if I want to find the values of x, I can use these functions. This function is log 1.5 with base 2. What is the meaning about log 1.5 with base 2? That means what's the meaning of these expressions? That means I want to know the number such that 2 to the power of that number is equal to 1.5. In Chinese, 我想知究竟2嘅幾多次等於 1.5。咁呢個就係嗰個嘅 representations. Then you can use your calculator to find the values. Okay, you can press log open bracket and 2, 1.5 close bracket, and then you can input log 1 log open bracket 2, 1.5, and then you can find the values. Okay, that means I know 2 to the power that value to the 2 to the power that number is equal to 1.5. So the definition like this. What is the meaning about log x with base a is equal to y? That means I know a to the power y is equal to x. Okay, bear in mind what is the meaning. Okay, this is the meaning of this function. Log x with base a is equal to y. That means a to the power y is equal to x. That means this one. So, class practice 1. Find the values of the following. Log 8 with base 2. I want to know what's the power, what's the number, such that 2 to that number is equal to 8. 2嘅幾多次方等於8. So, the answer is 3. So, you can find the value without using calculator if you know the definition of this symbol, this notation. Let's see part B. Log 81 to the power 3 with base 3. That means I want to know what's the power of 3. So that 3 to that power is equal to 81. So obvious, the answer is 4. Because I know 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81. And then part C, log 1000 with base 10. I want to know the power such that 10 to that power is equal to 1000. So the answer is also equal to 3. How about E? I want to know the number such that 4 to the power of that number is equal to 1. So the answer is 0 because I know 4 to the power 0 is equal to 1. F. log root 3 with base 3. I want to know the number such that 3 to the power that number is equal to square root of 3. Well, maybe some of you cannot observe the answer, but can you see obvious? Because I know root 3 is equal to 3 to the power 1 over 3. 1 over 2. That means I want to determine the number such that 3 to the power that number is equal to 3 to the power 1 over 2. So the number is 1 over 2. How about D? Maybe you cannot observe the answer. Then you can make good use of your calculator. Log 10, 300. And then find the values. In this case, in general, we'll call if the power is if the base is 10, okay, we'll call this as common log. Okay, log x with base 10. Okay, sometimes we'll not write down the base 10. Okay, log. Okay, we define log x. Okay, in general is the common log. Okay, and it's base 10. Okay, this is called common log. Let's see example 7.3. Use your calculator to find the values. Maybe you can do it first, okay, and then let's check the answer in our lesson, okay. For example, how to find the values of y, you can use your calculator to press log 0.25 and then copy down the answer. How about this one? Log x is equal to 0.25. Then how to find the unknown x? If you know the meaning of because this is common log, so with base 10, what is the relationship between these three terms? X is equal to 10 to the power 0.25. Then you can use your calculator to copy down the answer. I do not have a calculator on my hand, so I cannot find the exact value. So maybe you can use your calculator and copy down the answer. Part C. Also, okay, what's the relationship between these three terms? Log x with base 2 is equal to 0.25. That means 2 to the power 0.25 is equal to x. This is the relationship between these three terms, okay, or the meaning of a logarithmic function.